My friend, every year, from October to December, I call it the winter arc, a 90-day personal challenge. It's the season of silence, focus, and transformation. But look at the calendar. October is almost over. That means 60 days remain in this year. 60 days that can completely change your life. Most people think the year is finished. They stop trying. They say, I'll start again in January. But winners don't wait for a new year. They create one. You still have time to turn these final 60 days into your most powerful season yet. Scene 1. What the Winter Arc is. The Winter Arc Challenge is simple. It's a 90-day journey to rebuild your habits, your mindset, and your life. It's about using the cold months, when the world slows down, to rise higher. This is not about perfection. It's about momentum, building energy and focus before the new year even begins. Scene 2. Why 60 days can still change everything. Think about this. If you give your best for just 60 days, that's 8 weeks of consistency, 8 weeks of focus. In 60 days, you can build a new habit, get stronger physically and mentally, improve your English speaking. Books. Finish 1 or 2 good books. Let go of old habits that no longer serve you. It's not about time. It's about direction. Even a small step forward every day for 60 days creates massive change. Imagine entering the new year already in motion, already disciplined, already growing, while everyone else is just beginning their New Year resolution. Lesson 3. The 60-Day Plan. Here's how you can use these remaining days to live your winter arc. 1. Morning clarity. Start with purpose. Wake up early, even 30 minutes earlier than usual. Spend that quiet time reading, journaling, or planning your day. Start with peace, not your phone. 2. Daily learning. Grow your mind. Pick one skill: English speaking, writing, communication, or confidence. Study for 30 minutes daily. That's 30 hours of focused learning in 60 days, enough to see real progress. 3. Movement. Train the body. Exercise at least 20 minutes a day. It could be stretching, walking, yoga, or home workouts. A stronger body gives you a stronger mind. 4. Gratitude and reflection. Grow the heart. Each night, write 3 things you're thankful for. Then, ask yourself, what did I learn today? That's how wisdom grows, little by little. 5. Digital discipline. Protect your focus. Use your phone with purpose. Unfollow distractions. Spend less time watching and more time creating. These 5 steps are the heart of the winter arc. Follow them daily, and your life will shift before the year ends. Scene 4. The Winter Silence. Winter is a quiet season. The world slows down, but silence is not emptiness. It's opportunity. This is when seeds rest beneath the ground, gathering strength for spring. And you, my friend, can do the same. While others hide from the cold, you can build your fire. While others wait for the new year, you can start becoming the new you. Don't underestimate these days. Great transformations often begin when no one is watching. So listen closely. The Winter Arc Challenge may be 90 days long, but the remaining 60 days can still rewrite your story. You don't need a perfect start. You need this start, right now. Because when January 1st arrives, you'll already be 60 days ahead. You'll enter the new year with focus, discipline, and self-respect. So rise. Start your winter arc today. Read, learn, move, reflect, and by the time the new year dawns, you'll look in the mirror and say, "This winter, I became unstoppable." This is your winter arc, your final 60 days. Make them count. If you're ready to change your life before this year ends, subscribe to English Strategy and start your winter arc today.